fight me. Oh. Look, fight me, or you won't get out of this dungeon. Hiya.
No, I got chimpanzini banandini.
Hiya. Hiya. No, he bit me. He's too powerful.
Stop being powerful, Luke. Stop being powerful.
It's it, Luke. I have to use the Power Ranger sword.
Ooh, nice.
He has iron skin. I can't cut it.
I know.
He's too powerful of a warrior. I have to use my ultra power. Oh no! Luke disabled my ultra power. He is getting tired. No, he is. He hasn't. He is recharging. No, Luke, don't. No, not the unit.